Hello बच्चों, the question is which of the following immunity is conferred by the transfer of the immune products like antibodies from the another individual into a non-immune individual? Option A adaptive immunity, option B specific immunity, option C active immunity and option D passive immunity. So let's see. हमें क्या पूछा है कि इम्यून प्रोडक्ट जैसे एंटीबॉडीज जब ट्रांसफर होती है फ्रॉम द मदर टू द ग्रोइंग फीटस इन द प्रेगनेंसी ड्यूरिंग द प्रेगनेंसी और आफ्टर द बर्थ, मदर मिल्क से जो एंटीबॉडी ट्रांसफर होती है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? तो उसे बोलते हैं हम पैसिव इम्यूनिटी. सो हियर द पैसिव इम्यूनिटी इज राइट आंसर. तो देखो, सबसे पहले हम इम्यूनिटी की बात करते हैं. सो इम्यूनिटी का मतलब होता है एबिलिटी ऑफ द बॉडी, ability of the body to defend itself from disease causing organism. इसी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इम्यूनिटी बोलते हैं. अभी इम्यूनिटी आपके चार टाइप के होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज योर इनेट इम्यूनिटी. So the immunity which is present from birth, and it is non-specific to the antigen, So इसे बोलते हैं हम innate immunity. सेकेंड है आपका acquire immunity, immunity which is pathogen specific due to the presence or due to the involvement of both the cell, that is your T cell and B cell, and this cell will form either cell mediated immunity or cell mediated immune response. Yes, cell mediated immune response or humoral mediated immune response. So this is called your acquired immunity. Okay, then your active immunity. Let's talk about the active immunity. So active immunity, in active immunity, host bodies are exposed either through the living pathogen or dead pathogen so that the antibodies are formed. Example, your vaccine. So vaccine provides the active immunity. ओके, वैक्सीन में क्या होता है? डेड ऑर्गेनिजम्स आपके बॉडी में इंसर्ट करते ताकि एंटीबॉडीज प्रोड्यूस हो, तो वो एक्टिव इम्यूनिटी होगा. और लास्ट हो गया आपका पैसिव इम्यूनिटी. पैसिव इम्यूनिटी का मतलब होता है इन विच प्री फॉर्म एंटीबॉडीज आर इंट्रोड्यूस्ड into the non-immune individual so that it gains the immunity. Example, IgA, transfer of the IgA antibody from mother to the newborn infant via the mother milk during the lactation period. This is called the passive immunity. So in question they have asked which of the following immunity is conferred by the transfer of immune product like antibodies from the another individual to the non-immune individual. So the answer is your passive immunity. So option D is your right answer. Other option, active immunity. In active immunity, host bodies are exposed either to the living or dead microbes so that the antibodies are produced within the host body only. So this is not your answer, active immunity. Specific immunity means we are talking about the acquired immunity. Okay. Actually the adaptive immunity or specific immunity, both these immunities are same. Okay. So ना आपका एडेप्टिव इम्यूनिटी हो सकता है ना आपका स्पेसिफिक इम्यूनिटी हो सकता है. सो ऑप्शन डी इज योर राइट आंसर. आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टूड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट. थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक.